Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the cruise control on Jeep Cherokee. We're talking about that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Guys, if your cruise control does not work, okay, you have that problem that you cannot activate the cruise control. You wonder, okay, what causes that? Now, we have a special video why cruise control doesn't work. In this video today we will cover the fuses and the relays. Please do not waste your money on parts and tools until you watch that video. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the cruise control, which fuses and relays we need to check? Guys, come, we'll show you on that generation Jeep Cherokee. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead, guys. Now what we need to do, open the hood, and facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side, you have a fuse box here. That's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. A few different fuses will be checked here, guys. We need to check up to 3 fuses, but you need to check even more after that. We'll explain why. And you need to locate fuse number 56. 56 is that double micro 3-blade fuse. This is 2 fuses in one. You need to, guys, check that fuse right here. Next, you will need to locate fuse number 79. It's another micro 3-blade fuse, double fuse. Check that one too. So 56, 79, and then we go to fuse number 85, which is that fuse right here. Those are the main fuses. Now, you don't have relays, but if you still have problems with the cruise control, you may want to check the fuses, guys, for the ABS and traction control module, because these fuses work together with the cruise control. Cruise control system is part of it. So if you have bad fuse for ABS traction control module, it can cause that problem as well. If you want to see where they're located, you don't know about it, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with the location of the ABS and traction control module fuses. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.